Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We talked about Kubernetes architecture and application deployment built on Kubernetes cluster in my previous videos, but I found I missed an important topic, container technology and Docker architecture. Today, I'm going to talk about it and you will definitely understand how Docker works, so make sure you watch to the end. Now, let's jump into it. So what is container technology? Software application needs to run on a server or virtual machine with an operating system. A container is a way to package and isolate software applications, along with all the dependencies like libraries and frameworks, into a self-contained unit that can run consistently across different computing environments. Think of it like a shipping container used for transporting goods around the world. Just as a shipping container can hold all kinds of different items, a software container can hold all the files and resources needed to run a specific software application. So, what is Docker? Docker is a specific software platform that provides tools for building, managing, and deploying software containers, which allows developers to build, ship, and run applications in a portable, isolated, and lightweight environment. Docker offers lots of advantages such as portability, efficiency, scalability, and security. Containers improve efficiency, which can result in a better utilization of the compute resource. With the growth of the cloud technology, Docker is getting more popular and used everywhere. What is the Docker architecture and how does Docker works? Docker follows a client-server architecture, where the Docker client communicates with the Docker daemon via a REST API. The Docker daemon manages Docker objects like images, containers, networks, and volumes. Let's make it simple. First, in order to run a container, we need to have a Docker image. A Docker image is a template that contains instructions for the Docker container. So we need a Docker file. A Docker file is a text file that contains instructions on how to build a Docker image. It specifies the base image, any dependencies, and any additional configurations needed to run the application. Once we have the Docker file, we can now build the image using Docker build commands. This creates a snapshot of the application and all its dependencies, which can be used to run the application inside a Docker container. Once the Docker image is built, it can be used to create a Docker container using the Docker run command. This starts the container and runs the application inside it. Docker provides a wide range of commands to manage running containers, including Docker stop to stop a container, Docker restart to restart a container, and Docker logs to view logs from a container. You can store the image locally, or you can also push it to a remote registry which allows other users to pull and use. The most popular Docker registry is Docker Hub, and we will also learn to use AWS Elastic Container Registry in our tutorial. So, in the next session, we'll learn how to install Docker. Now, there you have it. I hope this video has given you a solid understanding of Docker fundamentals. So whether you are a developer, system administrator, or simply curious about modern software development practices, containers and Docker are essential tools to explore. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech-related content. And as always, feel free to leave your questions and comments down below. Until next time, happy containerizing.